how to fix driver error in Windows. So if you want to fix the driver error in Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go for your file explorer, which is on the taskbar, and you just need to open that file explorer and go for this PC option, which is here on the left, and right click on this PC. Once you right click on it, here you will have show more options. Click on that and then go for manage option. Once you click on manage, now you will have this kind of interface. Click on device manager, check all the installed devices list, and try to find any yellow triangle icon on the driver from the list. So simply check that if you have the yellow icon. So there is no driver issue yellow icon found in this PC, but if you find any driver with a yellow triangle icon, then right click on it. So for example, I'll be choosing display adapter drivers. So right click on your driver and then simply click on update driver. But if the problem exists even after you update your driver, then you just need to simply click on uninstall driver and you need to reinstall your driver. So hope this video helped, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.